guys, I'm back on YouTube on Greenville, Wisconsin. So today we're just gonna tow cars. So let's get moving. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you. So I guess this is all first mission. Turn on the lights. Let's go. Put it. Here we go. Let's get moving. So, remember the video I made yesterday? That was a strange thing happened yesterday. So today should be a little different. We're just gonna start towing cars and stuff. This is basically how you do it. Don't ask me where I'm going, because I have no idea. I'm not really. Oh, I think I might know where I'm going. Let me go this way. I know I took the wrong route. It's okay. I only got my lights on them. Yeah, interesting. Alrighty. Now we're just whirling off. Be careful now. I don't even know what my destination at. I think I might know what my destination at. Now I've told you about what do you call it? Horton, right? That's what it's called. I forgot. That was another one of the updates. So we're almost to the tow area. It's kind of dark over here. Why am I filming this movie? Oh, there we go. So, yeah. See if we're gonna get there in time. This is one of their interesting ways to drive a truck in the dark, which is I don't know, like to do it. Look like my toes. Is it over here? We'll keep going. I'm gonna turn right here. I probably should have turned the other way, but it's okay. It's alright. See my towing vehicle? Oh. This time's a different place. It's not where, it's not where, what you call it at? It's not where, Old Texas Roadhouse at. Kit parked on. Let's get this system going. So let's go down on the sign. Alrighty. Let's get back in this truck. Let's see. Good job. Eddie. Get this set up here. Now should be ready to hit tow. Let's see, we go. Now it's tow. Let's go up. I'm up. Now it's up. This, not new. Now, let's get in here. Get out of here. Let's see. I'm gonna go this way. This time. Here we go. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm good. I'm gonna be still here. I'm just joking. I'll review Backyard 2 when I get back. Hi, I just wanted to show y'all the train. Just came back, just wanted to show the train. Oh, look at that, there's a train. Ooh, this is wonderful. I like this. Can go now, right? That's wonderful. I think I could go. Yeah, that's very nice. I just came back on to show y'all the train. Alright, this time we're gonna come back on when we get there.